back to the farm. I'm gonna do a little update on my sweet potatoes. I'm down here watering right now. Just got home from church and I got to water them this morning. And kind of got worried about them, so I said I'm gonna come down here before I eat lunch and water them. They look decent. The ones I put in the last video, they look pretty good. I did the whole row, as you see, and I thought, well, I'll go get some more. So I messaged this guy, Harry, that gave me the other ones, and I asked him where he got them at. He got them at Ace Hardware. So I went down that day and got some more. But there are different varieties, so I got those planted, and they're a Georgia Jet. These first ones I planted, those 28, were a Beauregard, and I think I got 50 more, and they're Georgia Jets, and I'll show you those. And that's the ones I'm watering. Well, I'm watering them all. I mean, it is dry. So anyway, we was at the co-op yesterday, and I bought 50 more. I don't know if it's 50 more or 100 more, but one of them is the Old Henry, and the other one is Puerto Rico. The Old Henry is supposed to be a white flesh with supposed to have like a honey undertones. And I thought, well, we'll try that and see how we like it. I'm not much on sweet potatoes anyway, so. And the other one I got was Puerto Rico, and it was, I almost bought them. I think I talked in the other video, I can't remember, or I might have been on the live. I almost bought those in Knoxville, and I didn't, so I sent them up there and I got them. It's supposed to, I think it's a white flesh too, but it's supposed to be how these vines, they go everywhere. It's more compact, so. I got those, and hopefully, let me turn you around here. Hopefully it will finish out this row. So I'm about halfway. So I'm right here. You can see where the water spot is and out there. So, and some of these are not, these Georgia Jets are not doing good. That one don't look too good. Some back here don't look too good. It was one of the biggest plants. All the Beauregards are doing really good, so. And most of these are doing pretty good. It's just maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5 of those are not doing real good. So, I don't know, it might be transplant shock too, I don't know. So, but I got those soaking and we'll plant those tomorrow morning. And I'm going to show you I probably won't show that. A lot of things, we got a lot of big days. A lot of big plans this week, so that means we'll get nothing done. we got to start tying them tomatoes up because they're getting crazy. I'm gonna take you over and give you a update on the popcorn. We got to tie tomatoes up tomorrow. That's gonna start, and then I gotta get those cantaloupes in the ground. I've been putting it off because it's so dry. We are under a extreme drought, and I mean it's just a miracle out here trying to do anything. Everything. I mean it's just a lesson that what we got going is going. So, but, maybe we get some rain Wednesday, maybe Wednesday through Saturday. So we just get a little bit of rain and we'll get going. And hopefully. You know, I've been kind of watering everything that I can, and I can't water this corn. We'll look at it here. Here's the update on it. Let's sit here on the rows. It looks pretty good. So I got the 3 rows and they're coming up, and if it gets some rain, I'll throw some fertilizer on this and on my other sweet corn too, because it's about the same size. We just need some rain. Kind of stunted it a little bit, I think. And the spacing, I mean, the spacing done really good. This corn doing really good, this popcorn anyway. All right, there's a little update. So what we got going on this week, we're gonna start staking our tomatoes. And I gotta get them cantaloupe planted. I was gonna lay fabric down. I'm actually gonna go talk to Allison about maybe just laying a couple rows or 3 rows of plastic so we can get it done. We was wanting to try the fabric, but that's gonna take a couple of days to get that set up, and I need to get them things in the ground because they're about to get root bound. So anyway, but I picked a bunch of turnips and tried to sell them at the farm stand, and sold about $6 worth. So I paid for my seed anyway. And I have never ate a turnip before. Me and Allison, we ate one. I'll probably talk about this on the live tomorrow night. But we ate one and we didn't much like it. So anyway, I might have one. If I can think of it, I'll bring one for show and tell at the live. So we'll be live tomorrow night at 7:30. Come over and talk to us, and we'll kind of tell you how our plans are going. Hope they go good. I need to show you this behind the camera, but I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna do a video on that. All right, appreciate you watching. Little sweet potato popcorn update. I can't think. I could spend 2 hours talking about what we got going on down here, but I need to let you go, and I gotta get this uploaded and all that. All right, appreciate you watching. We'll be live tomorrow night, 7:30. Come over and check us out. We'll see you in the next video.